This is the Corsair iCUE 220T RGB Airflow, our new mid-tower ATX case where strong cooling meets smart lighting. The 220T was designed with high airflow in mind, but with its solid steel construction and perforated steel front panel, it offers a stylish look with the added benefit of durability. Included with the case are a lighting node core and 3 SP120 RGB Pro fans. Each SP RGB Pro fan has 8 individually addressable LEDs in the hub, and combined with our iCUE software, you can get brilliant lighting effects right out of the box. To make this case even more eye-catching, we added an edge-to-edge tempered glass side panel to showcase all your awesome components and beautiful RGB lighting. The I/O panel has 2 USB 3.1 Type A ports, a 3.5mm combination headphone microphone jack, and your power and reset buttons. 3 removable dust filters in the front, top, and bottom of the case will help keep your PC looking clean and tidy. Additionally, there's ample radiator mounts with up to a 120mm in the back, a 240 in the top, or up to a 360mm in the front. For storage, there are 2 low-profile 2.5-inch drive brackets, and there's a removable drive cage that houses up to 2 additional 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch drives. With the 220T's built-in PSU cover, you can keep your power supply and cables out of sight, which makes it easy to build a clean-looking system without excess clutter. The 220T is a stylish mid-tower ATX case with optimal airflow that's perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike.